Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use gesture navigation in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on display. Now here in display, scroll down and click on navigation bar, and from here select the swipe gestures. Now if you don't know how to use the gesture navigation, then click on more options, and here you will be able to see the instructions to use the gesture navigations. So that's how you can use gesture navigations in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.